How can one record their own backing vocals for their song so that it sounds truly spacious, expansive, and wide, and creates the feeling that a much larger group of people is singing?
Just go bring Bell or run away!
Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end and I'll reveal a really cool trick. Just a very quick reminder for you. In the description box down below, you'll find a direct link to my brand new course, Common Mixing Mistakes and How to Eliminate Them. You'll discover many useful tips and tricks there. Let's walk around the room and record, let's say, about 8 to 10 takes. But it's crucial that each one is from a different position. Close to the microphone, further from the microphone, from the side of the microphone, our vocal will sound a little bit different. So, let's get to it.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
A teraz spokojniej.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
Teraz tak z boku.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
I jeszcze bliżej. Też po boku, żeby był.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
Teraz blisko, ale bardzo delikatnie.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
Teraz możesz się powydzierać trochę.
Just go bring Bell or run away!
We've recorded about 10 takes for this particular part here, panning some of them extremely to the left and others extremely to the right. Nothing was placed in the middle. Let's listen to how it sounds dry.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from shaky barricades. Face down, the watchdogs grab instead. Run away, forever walk alone. No rights, no rules, no place called home. Just go bring Bell or run away.
You can hear that, let's say, a small choir is starting to form, but it's still not quite there yet. So, listen, we have these 9 takes of ours. I'm going to copy all of them.
Kopiuję.
I will mark them in blue, and then I'll just copy them once more.
Kopiuję.
These are going to be our takes, colored yellow. Now, for these particular takes, let's go ahead and raise them up by approximately 35 cents, while for those other ones, we will simply lower them. So let's assume you've recorded 10 takes of your own vocals or instrument. You can then duplicate these, meaning you'll end up with 20 tracks in total. Try lowering them by 20 or 30 cents. After that, copy the original tracks once more, and this time, attempt to raise their pitch by 30 cents. Naturally, you should also spread the panorama, pushing them extremely to the left and right channels, but make sure to set their volume a little bit lower.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from shaky barricades. Face down, the watchdogs grab instead. Run away, forever walk alone. No rights, no rules, no place called home. Just go bring Bell or run away.
Sounds much fuller now, and now actually for that final crucial detail, we'll cut out some of the mid-range here because we need to clean up this vocal track. We're going to apply some pretty heavy compression.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from
What I'd really like here is for these backing vocals to come out nicely from the sides, so I went ahead and activated track control here. It's from DMG Audio, and I simply made the soundstage wider. Absolutely nothing else, just wider.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from shake.
Saturation.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from shake.
Now we're going to add a little bit of 2 reverbs, a delicate, large room. I've reduced the depth and mix here to about 18% and from the replica lash space. And this is the effect we get.
Just go and chew what's on your plate. Step over others for your share. Rebel from shaky barricades. Face down, the watchdogs grab instead. Run away, forever walk alone. No rights, no rules, no place called home. Just go bring Bell or run away. Your life will never be around.
This effect would certainly be much better if we had the opportunity to invite our friends, bands, acquaintances, anyone at all who would be willing to lend their voice to these takes. The more diverse voices there are, the better it is, of course, but even this way, it already becomes more interesting. Also remember that if these backing vocals aren't singing a very clear tone, you can detune them even more. Please let us know in the comments section if you have any clever tips or special techniques for recording backing vocals. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.